So Leute, wir sind am Ende angelangt. Es war ein richtig cooler Tag. Und weil es so cool war, setze ich noch einen oben drauf. Kommentiert morgen das Highlight-Video auf dem Pepsi-Channel und gewinnt mein unterschriebenes Trikot und 2 Champions League-Karten fürs Finale in München. Viel Erfolg, euer Flo.
What's one thing that you need before every game?
To cut my socks because I wear them low.
So you don't just pull them down, you cut them.
Yes,
When do you do that?
just before the match.
Did you have a childhood nickname when you were growing up?
My family just called me Flori, but yeah, my parents, they don't like if people call me Flo. I don't like Flori. Just my siblings and my family
No one
are
else.
allowed to say this.
When was the first time a really famous person followed you on Instagram?
I remember when it was Ousmane Dembélé, because he was one of my idols when I was younger. I directly followed back.
What is the best goal you have scored for Leverkusen?
I would say one of the goals in